Then a Z list of herbivore animals with pictures. Herbivore animals are those animals who survive on plants. They eat leaves, shoots, and twigs. These animals cannot digest meat. Herbivorous animals are those who survive on plants, fruits, leaves, and other natural food sources. These animals cannot digest meat because they have broad, flat teeth. As I mentioned earlier that some animals eat fruits and leaves, they are often called frugivores and folivores respectively. There are many herbivorous birds as well like duck, goose, cockatoo, blue macaw, scarlet macaw, toucan, and many more. Also, in addition to birds, there are certain herbivore reptiles also dwelling in the forests such as iguanas and tortoises. And as for the insects, the herbivore animals list includes butterflies, tree hoppers, grasshoppers, etc. However, let's just keep our search till the list of herbivorous animals, mainly mammals. Below is the herbivorous animals list ranking from AZ and the foods they eat. List of herbivorous animals. The following list shows which family each of these mammals belong to, what their diet is, and their habitat. Some animals that live in the rainforest regions often have to alter their diet because of their surroundings. Antelopes mostly found in Africa, Europe, and Asian regions. Antelopes belong to the Bovidae family. They live in long grassland areas, hence, their main diet is long grass. You can find antelopes in woodlands, forests, marshes, and savanna, which is why they eat whatever they can find in a particular surrounding. Antelopes live in herds in order to protect themselves from other predators. Some species can run quite fast in order to escape an attack and can leap at an incredible distance. Bison, like the antelopes, belong to the Bovidae family and are found in North America and Europe. They are the largest types of cow found across the world. With their long, shaggy coat, they can easily live in cooler regions. However, you will find a few bison species residing in warmer regions as well. They have short, less shaggy coat. Bison feasts on grass and tree barks. Although their behavior is passive for the large part, they have been known to attack spontaneously. Bongos are found in Africa and also belong to the Bovidae family. They feed on grass, vines, pith of rotting trees, roots, fruits, among many other things. They tend to live where there is a constant supply of water. Similar to okapis, bongos are known to feed on the charcoal from burned trees due to lightning. Bushbucks are found in sub-Saharan Africa and belong to the Bovidae family. They feed on shrubs, herbs, and leguminous plants. Bushbucks are hunted by humans. These mammals are considered dangerous for humans because they have been known to attack hunters from the bushes. Capybara is found in Southern America and belongs to the Cavidae family. They eat grass, aquatic plants, fruits, and tree bark. They are semi-aquatic mammals that also live near lakes, swamps, ponds, and rivers. Capybaras can swim properly and can even stay underwater for approximately 5 minutes at a time. This helps them in hiding from predators or avoiding a male during mating season. Camels are from the Camelidae family and are mainly found in Africa, Asia, and Australia. They survive on grass, wheat, oats, and grains. Camels can store water in their humps and can survive in the harshest of climates, deserts of Middle East, Australia, and Eastern Asia. Since the camel can adapt to the varied climates in the desert regions, hot during the day and close to freezing temperature during the night, they are of excellent use for humans. These domesticated mammals are widespread and can be found almost everywhere. They belong to the Bovidae family and eat grass or hay. Cows are used by humans for various purposes such as pets, farming, for their milk, meat, and leather. In India, cows are considered sacred and given a godlike admiration. You can easily find deer in almost every continent. apart from Australia and Antarctica. They belong to the Cervidae family and feed on grass, weeds, and herbs. Some of the species of deer are endangered due to poaching and hunting. Elephant, the biggest, largest living animal in the world. Elephants are found in all parts of the world. They belong to the Elephantidae family and eat leaves, bark, fruits of trees, and shrubs. Elephants have been hunted and poached for centuries for their tusks and bushmeat. The male elephant is called a bull and the female elephant is called a cow. Fruit bats, megabats, or fruit bats can be found anywhere in the world. They belong to the Pteropodidae family and feast on nectar, flowers, and native fruits. They have been known to carry fruits along with them as they fly and spit out the seeds along the way. With big eyes and an acute sense of smell, fruit bats can fly during twilight and see inside the caves properly. Giant panda bears are mostly found in central western and southwestern China. They belong to the Ursidae family and consume bamboo. The giant panda is unfortunately classified as an endangered species as the birth rate is quite low and loss of habitat is constant. Poaching is one of the main reasons why the giant panda is considered endangered. Giraffe hails from the African desert. They belong to the Giraffidae family and feed on the baobab trees. They also eat shrubs, fruit, and grass. They are the tallest living land animals in the world. Giraffes can either walk or gallop around. Due to their long tongues, giraffes can feed on leaves found on tall trees. Goats are found across the globe and belong to the Bovidae family. Goats actually eat anything they can find, right from paper to cardboard boxes. They primarily feed on tips of woody shrubs and broad-leaved plants. They are domesticated by humans for their milk, hair, skin, meat, and also kept as pets. The male goat is called a buck and the female goat is called a doe. Gorillas are mostly found in Africa and belong to the Humanidae family. These primates eat fruits, leaves, and shoots. They walk with the help of their knuckles, although for short distances, they have been known to walk on their feet as well. Gorillas build two types of nests for use: daytime nests and nighttime nests to avoid predators. Hippopotamus can live inside water and on dry land. They are found in sub-Saharan Africa and are considered as the third largest living mammal on land. They belong to the Hippopotamidae family and eat short grass and few aquatic plants. As hippos are semi-aquatic mammals, the females tend to give birth to their young underwater. Horses aren't particular to a region as they are found all across the world. They belong to the Equidae family. They eat grass and other plant material. The male horse is called a stallion and the female is called a mare. Horses of different sizes and species are used by humans for various purposes such as pets, riding, wagon carriers, and in sports. Howler monkey. There are approximately 15 different species of howler monkeys which are found in South and Central American forests. They belong to the Atelidae family and feed on canopy leaves, fruits, flowers, buds, and nuts. The reason these monkeys are called howler monkeys is because of their communication skills. They can make loud noises or howls for various reasons. Iguana. This herbivorous lizard is a native of Central and South America and the Caribbean. They belong to the Iguanidae family and feed on a leafy diet of lettuce, mustard greens, etc. Iguanas can swim properly in order to avoid attacks from predators and also have impeccable vision. They can see and identify shadows, various colors, shapes, and can notice movement at a long distance too. Kangaroo. There are 4 different species of kangaroos found in Australia: the red kangaroo, the antilopine kangaroo, the western grey kangaroo, and the eastern grey kangaroo. They belong to the Macropodidae family. They eat grass and shrubs, sometimes feeding on fungi. Kangaroos can hop at a speed of 12 to 45 mph. depending on how much distance needs to be covered. Koalas are found in Australia and belong to the Phascolarctidae family. They mostly eat eucalyptus leaves, chewing on them and turning them into a paste in order to swallow it properly. Although koalas are quiet mammals, there have been times when koalas make loud, crying noises while breeding season and under stress. Koalas are not an endangered species yet, but due to the high rise in urbanization, loss of koala habitat is not impossible. Manatees, also known as sea cows, are found in between the African and the American continents. They belong to the Trichachidae family and eat mangrove leaves, turtle grass, and sometimes algae. They can weigh up to 500 kg, are quite large in size, and can a long life till 70. Now, although manatees are herbivorous aquatic mammals, there are a few species known to feed on small fish as well. Okapis are found in the Democratic Republic of Congo, dense mountain rainforest regions, and belong to the Gyrfidae family. They eat tree leaves, grass, ferns, fruits, and fungi. They have also been known to eat the charcoal from burnt trees due to lightning. It's a good sign that this mammal is not on the endangered list. However, they are the target of poaching. These mammals are found in several parts of the world. They belong to the Leporidae family and eat grass, leafy woods, and forbs. A male rabbit is called a buck and the female rabbit is called a doe. They have been known to live in woods, forests, meadows, wetlands, deserts, and grasslands. They make burrows underneath the ground to find a safe place to live and hide from predators. Reindeer or caribou come from the deer family which are domesticated. They are found in North America, Sweden, Norway, Russia, northern Finland, and Siberia, while in search of food. Reindeer are known to travel great distances during the migration period and they can run as fast as 50 to 55 mph. Their diet consists of grass, reindeer lichen, fungi, moss, and certain plants. Rhinoceros. There are 5 different species of rhinoceros found in Africa and Asia: white rhinoceros, black rhinoceros, Javan rhinoceros, Indian rhinoceros, and Sumatran rhinoceros. They belong to the Rhinocerotidae family and consume short grains, fruits, leaves, grass, and shoots. Their average weight can reach up to 1.5 tons. The white, black, and Sumatran rhinoceroses have 2 horns and the Indian and Javan rhinoceroses have only 1. Sheep are found across the globe and belong to the Bovidae family. They have been domesticated for farming requirements for their milk, meat, and wool. Humans use sheep for various purposes ever since the dawn of civilization. A male sheep is called a ram and a female sheep is called a ewe, pronounced as ewe. They eat stems, leaves, berries, and seeds. Tapir. There are 4 different species of tapirs found across Southern America, Central America, and Southeast Asian regions. They are considered as endangered, mainly because of deforestation that leads to loss of habitat. These species are the Malayan tapir, mountain tapir, Brazilian or South American tapir, and Bates tapir. They belong to the Tapiridae family. Tapirs feed on leaves, shoots, buds, and small branches. They also eat fruit, grass, and some aquatic plants. Zebra. Although there are other subspecies, there are 3 main, yet unique species of zebras found in African open plains and bushy grasslands, all having a distinct black and white stripes on them. They belong to the Equidae family and out of the 3 species, the plains zebras, the mountain zebras, and the GRVYS zebras, the latter 2 are considered as endangered. They eat grass, shrubs, herbs, leaves, flowers, tree barks, and twigs. There are hundreds of different species of herbivorous animals all over the world, and it would be very difficult for anyone to pen them down at the same time. Perhaps this small information can give you an idea about which animals fall in this category.